Well, as you can see, the filming setup is a little different today. That is because it is snowing out, and last week it snowed 10 inches on Sunday. I spent many hours being stuck in my alley because they don't clear alleys around here, so I am not taking my car out of the garage to make room for this, if I can help it. And that means I am doing it against the backdrop of my car. So, as you can see, this is the EM1 again. I haven't touched the needle on it, so I'm hoping that it will start right up since it's full of fuel and thoroughly oiled. Well, of course, not having any luck. Alright. I don't know if I flooded it. Definitely turning it the right way. Oh, this flywheel loosened up again. Alright. I had tightened that grub screw down. I didn't want to Loctite it because I was deciding whether or not to retime this to run the other direction, because I like the idea of the fans and the flywheel turning the other way, but I'm gonna, I guess, have to go get my little wrench because I did not bring that out here, and I guess we'll be back.